Beli perda Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukomrat Ki Sangma Yaka Culinary Cascade Kata Masa Banten Ina Miki Jingbam Ki Balashet Katkum Ki Rukom Shet Penrai. Pentikna ke Sorkar Jela Ban buat Katkum Ki Jing Betha Ka Yeng Bishar High Court Ban Kmi Ya Ki Jingti Bat Shalan Bean Ya Udewyong. Bat wat lat ka Sorkar Jela ban yokbu ya ka Shillong campus jangka skul ba Gejala ka Kapten Williamson Sangma ha New Shillong Township. Ki khubor ki babania U Inspector General Chong Kishipai Border Security Force BSF U OP Upadya ula pentep ba kajing pahara ya baro shiranter gijaka khaput hapdeng ke India bat Bangladesh ladep an penklan hadian kajing sha thombor yaki nong chingok kai perthei ha pahalgam da ka ba ong ba Kishipai BSF kila long ki balakre ban yale persha ladadon kinu kijing chia ula penpau ba katanat Shipai BSF kan sasdang ban pendon kam yaki electronic surveillance of vulnerable patches ESVP system ha shiranter kajaka khaput kabadon laipo ar kilometer bat kari Bangladesh u IG ula ongru ba kanu kajing chia ka ba hajan ne hakari kadon kam ya kajing pet parman bat ka jing ai pahara ka baklan ula pentep ba kila penbha ya kirukom penkre bat kirukom pahara katkum kajing long bat kajing don kam.
Are having this specialization in night dominance. So we have further strengthened our night dominance capabilities, the surveillance capabilities, and deployment of some additional manpower. We have reviewed the existing deployment, the existing security measures, and we have taken adequate security measures, including deployment of additional manpower as well as additional surveillance equipment. Apart from that, we have raised our level of coordination with the state police and other agencies. And we have also interacted with the local population, local NOKMAs and the acclaimed civilian authorities. And we are getting full support of them.
Ya ka tamasa shet jingbam lani culinary cascade la pli perda Howard's Lake Shillong kabapen inam ya kirukom shet tanrai baper hakani ka tamasa la dan ki jingpen I ya kirukom shet tanrai ki bala shet bat ki wede ki jingbam jing ki we pat kiri ka perthai ki nong rap Gejala bat ki nong seng kam la jongru ki la yashim bentalang da ka bawan ra ya ki marab ki bathung krem dawai bat ya ki tiar shnakti la ya wer sngob ha ya baro banwan sakhi ya ki jing ya thukhana ki jingmat bat ki Snow kaban ai ching itu ya kerukom shet jingbam bakar pang Gejala.
Small interventions could be identified. Support can be given to these different restaurant owners, entrepreneurs, eatery joint owners, and bring this up, including the farmers. I think this will be very, very important in the coming days, so that we're able to then really create value out of programs like these. So therefore, let this be a beginning to the future programs where you're able to upgrade, for the lack of words, upgrade the existing systems that are there, and as I said, create more value. In terms of Wards Lake, I'm happy to inform all of you that we are finally at the point where we have finalized the design and upgradation of Wards Lake, and I'm happy to inform you that the process of renovating and upgrading Wards Lake as a venue is on the cards, and it will be a very beautiful renovation that will be done.
Unong ay ktian ka Sorkar MDA bat udkhot ka cabinet uba Paul Lingdo ula kubur ya ka Chingdon chong iway point khandai ar lak metric ton udawyong bati bean ya ka ba shem lala ban le ai na ka daw ka Chingbom biang kilenti ban poi shakichaka bakidon ka yeng bishar High Court chong ka Meghalaya kala thau ya ka committee ka bala penshisha ya ka Chingdon chong kumba iway point khandai ar lak metric ton udawyong balati bean uba Paul Lingdo ula ong ba ka Sorkar kala de ban sedang ya kerukom ti dawyong katkom kecing start science ha kecela bat kermen bagi cing ti dawyong bean kanduna haki ar lives nem banwan namar kecela Meghalaya kan pendun kampura no ya kani kerukom ti dawyong ula ongru bagi sarkar kadang yai beteng ban persyang ban yo cing tip halor ki kam ti dawyong bean wat lada ki caka ti kidon segi caka kendong ki bambiang kilentian.
There is no denial. What we are saying is we are trying to collect accurate information. Even collection of information itself becomes difficult because these are privately owned mines, especially in areas which are inaccessible even by roads. And therefore the collection of information itself is a major challenge. But we will overcome that challenge, and in the span of 2 to 3 years from today, we will be in a position to significantly reduce the current method of rat hole mining and opt for scientific mining. And you should appreciate the fact that this is for the first time that government has in fact gone ahead to inaugurate a unit which caters to and abides by all mechanisms of scientific mining. Okay.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Gejala Urakam Isangma ula pentip bakatenat kadang wat yaki weipat kilat banyo banbu ya ke Shillong campus jangka Captain Williamson Sangma University da ke pentip bahaswa kaladon kecing terwa banbu ya ka ha bijuni kompleks Henry ulaong namar ba kadang sakut hapdeng kecing bishar na kamat long trai ketenat kala kerpat ya ketenat penroisor ban ai jaka ha New Shillong Township ulaong ba katba kecing keren ban penyo jaka kadang ya chakmat ketenat kadang kemi ya ki yeng ni jaka banjok bu shwa ya ka office rekam jong ka skul ba.
The education department was supposed to use a business complex for the state university Shillong campus. However, as the process go on, the claim of ownership has become dispute today. So Northeastern Hill University Private Law, they have went to the Honorable High Court to depend themselves as they are the rightful ownership of the business complex since the inception. So that is the matter in the court now. So let the court decide because we were planning to use a business complex as a Shillong campus of the state university so that we can start ideally. However, and of course this is not yet finalized, but we are looking all options where we can start this university.
Upria harengkat ulapba ubajur ulawanra ya kecing culor hakasnong mau kadiang kabadan hanong ston West KHASI Hills District kabalane komba shiganta ea hakaba daki pautali kitunum yeng jongki nong shongshnong bat ki marrep jongki kila julor urang ba shnong uba paising puwen ula pentip bakat kum kecing yo jingtip ka bahaswa layathu ba komba ar pautali nepalat ki yeng kila syak penjulor bat ki jing thung jingtep kila du ula batha ban penlong ya kecing curip ka babnya ban yo kecing ken ka batikna.
So haduk minta amaru da dang pak serbi ki rang bak dong. Ki kepala yuk jing ken haduk kali kapor te dang long tang ki ar puying e. Ka kajing julor omde tang ki nadu bijing tung jing tep kusok ki pairu la julor ru prokot. Kedon ki katukan di gijing le ki ba long suban Song bansa ban tiak ban dem karena sedang naduk kendai steng tu nang ta kanek sebentar duna itu bahasa pusan minit rai ka kalau don tu jual school tiba lada ja baslap kamu tahap ICT juga kena nong suban long school
MLA ka umroy uba daman bait lamari ulapli ya buntali ki project kampen roy hakasnang mauteneng haribhoy ulapli ya ka yeng skul bathamai bat ula IT ya ka kali ket nong pang bat pleru ya ka pankhana patba ka bathamai ha ka te ka skul shnong ya ki te ki project la beitingka hapo ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund haba ai jingkren uba lamari ulapen scam ya kecing angnut chang u ban wanra shushu ya ki kampen roy khnang ban kentiu ya baro kishnong hapo ka constituency jong
ginang German scam so haki por ke scheme sawan na yo so ban permit ban pemba permit ya kan ke sistem ka thau ka jong pi bro koi bat kham tan ya kan school mana kumba i kan khmat ka jong ke jonga nang pun ba ki jingdol kam le ni jingduna hapo ka jong ke school tangai kum long mi khmat kum le ujong pi kum gi aus ki por no pe no i uplong pa ya kan ke constituency umro i bro koi ngan selut ang tersangka dari put ibor ngan selut kan betul put ibor jonga ban puto ban pembit pembiang ya kejing duna le jingdol kam jonga ni school hagi por ke singi ban sawan
Ka All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union kala pensyai halor ke cingkot jong kaseng bantau ya kabut ke bakarpang na kabenta ki nong trei kam ying da ke bakadau bapalat arhosan hajar ngut ki nong trei kila dep penrung kerteng bat kaseng haba ajing kren ha ke press conference menta kasngi ka nong yalam jong kaseng ka kong Rachel Mautho kala kentu ya baro ki nong trei ying bakin long ki dekhot jong ka All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union kenang ban pentikna bakin yo cingada bat en itu pura ya ki kam jongki
Jindawa pun kesan kalau badan kini press badan kawin cabut jongki domestic workers tapalat art sana jangut kinong tre yungre basyang basa bawan buhay sinong ini kita lakukan kerja for kesan dan pun kinong tre kita cepat kejelas kita kenapa lakukan kerja kesan ban kerja peniat nak berta kerja jongki nang sakam itu kinong tre badan hapok kesan ia kecing tip syakang kahok jom kinong tray kecing yada ke emang sana kecing yada buat kecing ikai kecing tuket ki hotel pun kecing shat kecing sumadi kecing penyat kecing penyat di kinong wan cuma kai kecing sumadi ki kena di kulung baki temen baki wei tempat kinong tray yang nak baki tuket hari rekam kecing bandio ekaburam bakapok kecing Ka Chaintia National Council kaladawa na Chief Manager ka Power Grid ban perkhat biang halor ka jingbe kam yaki khendai ngut ki home card kathan ki batrai ha Power Grid ha Kriat East Chaintia Hills habaya kendu bad manager ka JNC kala pentep baka sarkar kala a ya ka hukum ban wengkam no iki da ka jingtmu ban bujli da ki weipat ki breu na ki weipat ki tanat jong ka sarkar pedeng ka seng kala kentho ya kani ka jingle jong ka sarkar jela da ka bakadau ya ka jing bambu ramshu ya ka tanat ya da ki sipai home ka kenhun kala dawaru ba deiban perkhat biang halor kani ke jingsha wengkam
Ihi kam kerjaan si dah dawajur ini kini ke power grid ke jingi kelam ko yang i kena kalian ko yang ki depan por gini i aduk kini ke sini kong ke sini war ini kalian ke sen ada kini ke power grid bom ye ke upna ya kini ke kendengut ini kalian ke sen ye dah lai dah kelupi ke wateng ne benta ke hop yang kedi wa kerja guru ko yang i ne ba kini ke jingla satu ibu tu fail kerana dok nak state government. Dah hari ni kisni kita ada wan lah ini kalian ke agensi wong kut ke kini ke jingi kelam yang hidup ini. Dah persang ilah awal kelam bahawa minister concern atau opat yang kini ke bentang. Wam tu ilat yang kita ke agensi ke wanabar hawadang kibru ke yang i ke agensi yang ke state government ke yang i. Tak kini ke jing jam MJ ke dok ini hendak dapat je hak lain. Dapat je ke private company ke apa kini ke distrik ke yang ilah. Dua watak ke agensi ke watak yang ke security guard wanrak gina barbar. Kini hi penpau go ke jing yorot ya kari wa kadai guru ko yang i kini hi penyoga wa ka sarkar mem chanya go lene ken po go ya kiri wa kadai guru ko yang i ki wa da train ki wa ya ka training ko biang wo man kam ki security guard
Kidan baro Henrios pa khat saungut ki samlai le kai ki bala mikman na ka benta arpho nyau tali gi chat jinga le kai sport ki bala yo pedang ya ka scholarship ka bakot Sun Point R Sau Clothing ka hapo jong ka scheme Chief Minister's Sports Scholarship Scheme arajar arpho sau arpho san ya kini ki scholarship la sa menta ka sngi ha State Convention Center ha Shillong ha kini ka program lawan ni shimenta da menteri rang ba gajala ukonrat ke sangma menteri katanat sports uba Shakler Wajri bat kiwe ki he sarkar
program and the scholarship that we're giving you. There are two things to it. The first is, of course, the financial support that we would like to share. Sometimes we feel that amount is too small, but there is no amount that's too small. Even small amounts can make a big difference if used in the right manner. And therefore, we feel strongly that financial support should be given in whatever way possible, and what better way than to give the sports persons who have achieved something because of the hard work they've done in the last many years, support them through scholarship, through financial aid. And the second is really simply about recognition. I have always believed that a small pat on the back of any individual, telling the person that we are proud of you, you have done great, continue to work hard, can be one of the greatest motivations you can give to anybody to be able to achieve maybe the highest goal which even he or she thought was impossible.
Kalimpong yalekai inter-school sports meet kadang ya chakmat hatura hakaba la shimbanta da khandai tali ki school ki bayakun habun chat ki jinglekai kani Kalimpong kelas dang nadu kasau tarik uyayong light no tang hakasni thoding bat si sajan la penlong ya ka semi final hagajing yalekai football hakasni palai hagajing yalekai semi final ka baningkong hapdeng ka rongkhon dan bosku persha ya ka Montfort Center Kilaya khai da not la not bat hadian ka penalty shootout ka rongkhon dan bosco kalara ya ka nam job da nyau la hendriu kul hagajing la kai semi final ka ba arpan ka tura public school kala long kala du persha ya ka Sherwood school da ar la shikul labu ban penlong ya ka final hagasi sajan ha ka ba ka tura public school kan yakun persha ya ka rongkhon dan bosco school Mentapan in pej kacing long cing man kasun beneng hatura kacing kreat kalong arpoa degree Celsius bat kacing shit kalong laipo degree Celsius kacing ngam ka hau kalong nyo poa na kashispa kacing hap slap kalong khandai point lai millimeter haba phai pat chanong ba shilong kacing kreat kalong khat ar point nyo degree Celsius bat kacing shit kalong arpoway point sau degree Celsius kacing ngam ka hau kalong nyo po nyo na kashispa kacing hap slap kalong arpoa point henriu millimeter kat ba hajowai kacing kreat kalong khat henriu degree Celsius bat kacing shit kalong arpo degree Celsius kacing ngam ka hau kalong nyo po ar na kashispa kacing hap slap kalong khandai point san millimeter kala bandan kacing hap slap ka ba malumala hajowai tura bat shilong hakikat tu kat ni kijaka Shwaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngin ya pet biang sa shisin ya kimat bakongsan Penklan ketenat Sipai BSF ya kecing Pahara ya Shilanter Gijaka Kaput ke Badan MEGHALAYA hapdeng ke India bat Bangladesh hadian kecing Tombor ki lekno hapahalgam Beli perda Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat Sangma ya ka culinary cascade ke Tamasa ban Peninam ya gijing bam ki belasyat katkum ki rukom syat tenrai Pentikna ke Sorgar Jela ban buat kat kum gicing betha ke Yeng Bishar High Court ban kmi ya kecing ti bat shalan bean ya udewyong Bat watlat ke Sorgar Jela ban yokbu ya ke Shillong campus jang ke Sekolah Ba Gejala ke Kapten Williamson Sangma ha New Shillong Township Te parlok katungi la poisha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor jengi menta ka janmit hadu bangin daya syambyang bat phi la shai ka sngi kublai phi baro
Myanmar border, the inner line permit system and internal security. The governor stressed the strategic importance of border fencing to prevent infiltration and called for strengthening of the ILP mechanism. He also reviewed the surrender policy and lauded the state police for their efforts in maintaining peace and stability. Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha has said that over 6,800 teachers have been recruited in the state government schools and 44 new government schools have been completed with improved infrastructure. The Chief Minister said this following the inauguration of 4 new English medium and 1 Bengali medium school buildings. For these 44 new schools, the state government has spent 153 crore rupees and 30 more schools will be added in this financial year. He further said that teachers' upgradation is a need of the hour